Welcome. This is a presentation to Companies Act 2013. Hello guys, are you worried about so many chaos relating to the Companies Act? Really? Don't feel sad. Here I present the quickest and easiest way to learn the Companies Act and with recent amendments. Yeah, ready? Then let's go. So let us first have the quickest look to what we are required to study. Friends, there are two acts to understand the law governing the companies in India. First one is Companies Act 2013, and this is the main act. Is the main act which has all the provision. And other one is Companies Amendment Act 2017, which has the amendments to the main act. That is, जो भी recent amendments under Companies Act 2013 में आए हैं, they are encompassed under Companies Amendment Act 2017 and will be studying both simultaneously. So this is the introduction to Companies Act 2013. The Companies Act 2013 has 470 sections under 29 chapters. 470 sections under 29 chapters. But do not worry students, for exam point of view, we are not required to study all these 29 chapters. Hey, contents that CS or law students are required to study. Only up to 13 chapter having 205 section. So you have to study only 205 section encompassed under 13 chapters. Happy? So let us have a quick view to the index which will be studying under Companies Act 2013. First is name of chapter versus the section covered. Chapter number 1 is preliminary, covering section 1 and 2. Chapter 2 is incorporation of the company, covering section 3 to 22. Chapter 3 is prospectus and allotment of securities, covering section 23 to 42. Chapter 4 is share capital and debenture of the company, covering section 43 to 72. Chapter 5 is acceptance of deposit by company, covering section 73 to 76A. Chapter 6 is registration of charge of company, covering section 77 to 87. Chapter 7 is management and administration. This is important, covering section 88 to 122. Chapter 9 is accounts of company, covering section 128 to 138. Chapter 10 is audit and auditor, covering section 139 to 148. Chapter 11 appointment and qualification of director, covering section 149 to 172. Chapter 12 is meeting of board and its power, covering section 173 to 195. Chapter 13 is appointment and remuneration of managerial personnel, covering section 196 to 205. Sorry, I forgot to mention chapter 8, that is declaration and payment of dividend, covering under section 1.